everybody, that was a quick cold start of our 996 Turbo Cabriolet. As you'll see in the, hold on, let me put the window up. As you can see in the service records that will be attached, there is a Carneuel exhaust, Softronic tune, so that's a little bit of what you're hearing when this car fires up to life. In addition to all of that, we have some other really cool features around the interior, including the aluminum look steering wheel, shifter, center console, and handbrake lever. And additionally, we have the upgraded Porsche Classic radio, which brings some new functionality and just a cleaner, more modern look in some of these older Porsches. Very nice to have that, because as you can see, I mean, it just fits right in, looks just seamless, because you see a lot of these cars with aftermarket head units, and obviously nobody's going to make it better than Porsche themselves. So that's a nice little feature to have in here. But as you can see also in the gauge cluster, the car now features 29,835 miles, as we're about to take it out for the photo shoot. But everything else that you'll need to know on this car will be attached and listed in the listing for this car. So if you have any additional questions, comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know, and we'll be here to help. Thanks for watching.